How do I write my postal address for international mailing?
Hello viewers! Today, we're diving into the important topic of how to correctly write your postal address when you're sending or receiving mail internationally. Ensuring that your address is formatted correctly can make the difference between your mail reaching its destination or getting lost in the system.
Why is the correct format important?
When mailing internationally, there's a lot more room for error than with domestic mail. An incorrect address format can lead to delays in delivery, lost packages or letters, returns due to unrecognizable addresses. To ensure that your mail reaches its intended destination, it's crucial to follow the accepted international format.
What is the standard format?
The standard format usually includes 1. Recipient's name. This is often the most critical part. Ensure you have the correct spelling and full name. 2. Street address. Include the apartment number, if applicable. Some countries have different naming conventions for streets, so be accurate. 3. City or locality. Spell out the city or locality name without abbreviations. 4. State, province, or region, if applicable, based on the country's system. 5. Postal or zip code. This is crucial for sorting mail. 6. Country name, written in all caps. This tells the postal service in your country where to send the mail. Example: John Doe 123 Apple St. Apt 4B, New York, 10001, United States of America.
Any other tips?
Always write in clear, legible letters. If you can, print the address. If sending to a country with a different alphabet, consider writing the address in both languages or using Roman characters. Place the address in a central location on the parcel or envelope. This ensures it is easily visible. Avoid unnecessary abbreviations. There you have it. Now you know the ins and outs of formatting a postal address for international mail. Remember, the key is clarity and accuracy. We hope this video was informative and will help your mail reach its destination swiftly and correctly. Safe mailing!